This problem is same as problem number 1. Okay, you solve this. First, you calculate the gross income on investment. Gross income on investment is 85,000. Then you calculate the net income. How to calculate net income? Gross income into 90 by 100. Reverse. Gross income into 90 by 100. You take the first gross income 90 by 100, second income 90 by 100, third income 90 by 100. ABC Limited. And interest on government security. And don't make it net. You take this 12,000 as it is. It is the net and it is the gross. Because the government will not deduct tax. Government will not deduct tax. So 12,000 is the gross, 12,000 is net. So you consider that as a net. First point 90%, second point 90%, third point 90%, fourth point as it is. And fifth point 90%. Fifth point 90%. Okay. Take the total. Total is called as net income. 2% of that is collection charge. You calculate. Then interest on net rupees 8,446 is the interest on loan. On loan for investment, except capital investment bond. So this is allowable. Okay. So you calculate 2% of the net and take the interest on loan, then deduct it, you will get the income from other source. You will get the income from other source. Okay. You see next problem, example number 18. In this example number 18, from the following information, compute the GTI, gross total income. They have to calculate gross total income. First is salary. Gross salary is given for you people, not income from salary. If income from salary is given, that is computed. There is no problem of calculation. But gross salary is given, so you have to go from that step. Whatever steps you have to complete after the gross salary, you have to complete. So salary income is the first head of income. Okay. First head of income, salary. 60,000 salary is received. What are the deductions coming under the gross salary? You studied the income from salary. What are the deductions coming under gross salary? Anyone tell me? ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವು? Under the gross salary, there are 3 deductions. One is standard deduction under section 16 subsection 1A. That is 50,000 or actual salary, whichever is less. So you have to deduct 50,000 a year. 50,000 or actual salary, whichever is less is allowable deduction. Then your income, if you deduct, the 10,000 is your income. Income from salary is 10,000. Director fee other source, lottery other source, winning from card game other source, loss from house property. Loss from house property is there. This can be adjusted it with other head income. This can be adjusted with other head income. Salary, business, okay, capital gains, others. This can be adjusted. So you adjust this 4,000. Loss. This is the second head. Loss from house property is the second head. And factory building machinery comes under the other source. This is other source. Okay. You take the factory building and less other expenses, you will get the income from other source. Okay. So under the income from other source, you take 5,000, 10,000, then 4,000, thereafter 40,000. You take 1, 2, 3, 4 items. You take 4 items, take the total gross. In the gross, you deduct 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 expenses are there. You deduct 3 expenses. I think it is 19,000. You deduct 19,000, you will get the income from other source. What is total? 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 40. 19 plus 40, 59. 59,000 is the gross. In that gross, you deduct 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 10, 19. If you deduct 19,000, income from other sources, 40,000. Income from other sources, 40,000. Salary income is 10,000. House property loss, 4,000. Other source, 40,000. Then the next is income from sale of proceeds of building. Sale proceeds of building is 1,79,600 and its cost is given. So you have to calculate long-term capital gain. You take full value of consideration, 1,79,600 less index cost of acquisition, you will get capital gain. You will get the capital gain. So first is salary, second is house property, third is capital gain, fourth is other source. 4 heads incomes are given. So one by one you have to calculate. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 4,000 ಐತಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಟೀಟ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮೂರನೇ ಇಡ್ಡ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಯು ಸಿ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Gross salary 60,000 less standard deduction under section 16 subsection 1A. This is 1A. 50,000. 50,000 or actual salary, whichever is less is the deduction. You have to deduct it. Okay, if you deduct it, your answer is 50,000. Sorry, 10,000. Income from salary is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Then second is loss from house property. This loss from house property can be adjusted with other heads of income. So 4,000 loss is there. You will adjust this loss. 10,000 profit, 4,000 loss. Ultimate answer is 4,000. Sorry, 6,000. You may adjust it. Okay, so I'll put the minus here. Then third is capital gains. This is long term. Full value of consideration is 1,79,600 less index cost of acquisition. Index cost of acquisition 25,800 into 289 present index divided by index of acquisition year 129 is equal to 57,800. If you deduct it, your answer is 1,21,800. 1,21,800. Then fourth head is other source. Fourth head is other source. In the other source, first is director fee, second is winning from lottery, third is winning from card game, fourth is rent from building, factory building and machinery, 40,000. Okay, you take the total of this. Total is 59,000. It is gross. Then less deduction under section 57. First is repairs on factory building, second is insurance on factory building, and third is interest on loan. These are the related expenses. These are the related expenses. You deduct these, then your answer is 40,000. Income from other sources, 40,000. So you take the total of the outer column. If you take the total of the outer column, house property is loss. So you take the total of 3. You add 3 items and deduct the loss from house property. Loss from house property you deduct. Okay, the answer is 1,67,800. 1,67,800 is the gross total income, GTI. Income from other source alladu na tab bardeni na copy ಮಾಡಿ paste ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಹಂಗ ಬಂದದ್ದಿ. You write it as a income from other source. Income from this is called as gross total income. Okay, this is the example number 18. Now you see the example number 19. In the example number 19, Sri Amaresh is engaged in illegal business. Remember this. He is engaged in illegal business. You engage in legal business or illegal business, income tax department asks you people that if you are having income, you pay tax. This is the only suggestion or only expectation of income tax department. How you earned, from which source you earned, that is secondary. But whatever income you earn, on that income you pay tax according to the government rules, income tax department rules. This is the income tax department expectation. Okay, so you don't think about illegal business. So Amaresh engaged in illegal business, out of which he earned a profit of 20,000. He earned a profit of 20,000, and that profit is arrived after claiming rupees 20,000 penalty to the custom department. This 20,000 profit is arrived. This 20,000 profit is arrived after adjustment of 20,000 penalty given to the custom department. He is engaged in the illegal business. Because of illegal business, the custom department penalized rupees 20,000. He paid 20,000. Then he says that after deducting that 20,000 penalty, his illegal business is 20,000. Okay. Then what is the illegal profit or income before that expense? Anyone tell me? ನೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟ? What is the gross? ₹20,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? Am I audible or not? Okay, I will not waste your time. 20,000 is the profit after adjustment of 20,000 penalty. Before adjusting that, his profit is 40,000. Okay. Income from illegal business is 40,000. In that 40,000, he deducted 20,000. And remaining income is 20,000. This is the information given. So you remember, for illegal business, illegal expenses are allowable. My dear students, you remember this point very carefully. For legal business, legal expenses are allowable. For legal business, legally, whatever expenses you incur, all those expenses are allowable for legal business. And for illegal business, illegal expenses are allowable. What are illegal expenses? Anyone tell me? Suppose you are doing or involved or undertaking a illegal business. What are your illegal expenses? What are the expenses you have to bear for undertaking illegal activities? If you are having common sense or general knowledge, you can answer. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. ಬೇಕಾಯ್ದೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು ಅಲೈಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಮುಂದ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲೌ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ದೆಸಿರಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ತುಡುಗ ದಂಧೆ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ತುಡುಗ ದಂಧೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲೈಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಯಾವುದು? ಈಗ ತುಡುಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ತುಡುಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವಾಗ ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಲೀಗಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಾನೂನು ಅಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಲೀಗಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಅಲೌ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಅಲೌ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲೌವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ, ಈಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ನು ತುಡುಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತ, ತುಡುಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನ ಕಿಶಾಗ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋದಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಅಲೌವಲ್. ಸರಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಗಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಂತಾವ್ ಏನವು ಅಲೌವಲ್. ಮತ್ ನೀವ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲೌವಲ್. ಈಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋತ್ನ್ಯಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರೇ ಕಾವಲ್ದಾರ್ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಾವಲ್ದಾರ್ ಚಾ ಕುಡ್ಸಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಅಲೌವಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್. ನಾ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಮತ್ತ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದೇರಿ. ಓಕೆ. Okay, there is a net problem. You see this. I will not go for deep discussion regarding illegal business. You remember, illegal business, illegal expenses are allowable. Legal expenses are disallowed. Remember this. Penalty is illegal, so it is disallowed. And regular business income is so you see this one for the first point is clear. Business income. Business income is of two ways. One is illegal business, regular business. Illegal business 40,000, regular business 1 lakh. It is totally 1,40,000. Remember this. Okay. Then come to the next point. Winning from horse race. 2,000 is there. Okay, 2,000 rupees. This first point. This is from other source. Okay, 2,000 from other source. Then lottery, winning from lottery is there. Winning from lottery is there. The word received is there. Received means it is net. You have to gross up. If you gross up this amount is 50,000. 50,000. Okay, 50,000. The next is winning from card game. Winning from card game is here. This is also received. And this is also received. So you gross up this 17,500. 17,500 into 100 divided by 70. I think it is 25,000. Okay, this is 25,000. Then he wrote a book. He received royalty rupees 20,000 in respect of book. That is 3,000 is the expense. So 20,000 minus 3,000, its answer is 17,000. D point answer is 17,000. So 20,000 minus 3,000. Then he received remuneration 10,000 for delivering guest lecture, and conveyance expense is 2,000. It is relating to a lecture, so you deduct it. Then E point income is 8,000. 8,000. Okay. Then come to the next. He received dividend from foreign company. Dividend from foreign company is taxable, 5,000. And income from agriculture. in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka means outside India. It is also taxable. So F find total 5,000 plus 3,500. 8,500. Okay. Then interest on deposit. Interest at 15%, interest on deposit of 15,000. So if you calculate 15,000, 15% on 15,000, that is 2,250. Okay. You take the total of these, your answer is total income. Okay, total income. This is from other source. This is from other source, and the first source is business. In this problem, there are two sources of income. One is income from business, another is income from other source. Okay, you take these and the other source, and business is 1,40,000. 1,40,000 is the business, and other source you take this total. Okay, you see the solution. Income from illegal business is 20,000. Add disallowed expenses 20,000. Disallowed expense 20,000. Then your illegal business income is 40,000. Regular business income 1 lakh. So total business income is 1,40,000. 1,40,000 is the income from business. Okay. Then other source, you write the heading. In the other source, first is winning from race, 2,000. Winning from lottery, gross of 50,000. Winning from card game, gross 25,000. Royalty received 20,000 you take. Then lecture fee 10,000. Dividend from foreign company 5,000. Income from agriculture in Sri Lanka 3,500. Okay. Interest on Bajaj company 15,000 into 15%, 2,250. These are the income from other source. You take the total. This gross. This is gross. Then less deduction under section 57. Manuscript expense relating to book 3,000. And conveyance expense relating to guest lecture 2,000. Totally 5,000 you deduct. 5,000 deduct. Remaining is income from other source. So income from other source is 1,12,750. 1,12,750. So your gross total income is 2,52,750. 2,52,750. Clear? This is question number 19. Then question number 20. Question number 20, you see. Gururaj has furnished the following details of income for the previous year. Gururaj, 40,000 per month salary as a member of parliament. Per month 40,000. For the year 40,000 into 12. I think it is 4,80,000. Okay. Its answer is, first point answer is 4,80,000. You take first point 4,80,000. 40,000 into 12. Second point, income from agriculture in Sri Lanka 38,000. This is also taxable. Second point, 38,000. Okay, second point. Third point, dividend from foreign companies also taxable. 25,000. Third point, dividend from foreign companies taxable. Then dividend of rupees 40,000 on sales of ACC Limited. ACC Limited is an Indian company. It is an Indian company, so dividend on this is exempted from tax. Then ground rent 40,000 on mining, that is taxable. Ground rent 40,000. Ground rent 40,000. Okay. Ground rent 40,000. Winning from lottery net is there. Winning from lottery net is there. You take gross up. Its gross up value is 15,000. Gross up is 15,000. Receive director fee 12,000. Director fee is 12,000. You take 12,000 director fee. Received is there. 12,000. Then he invested. He invested means following amounts are investments. Following amounts are investments. You have to calculate interest. So first point is 50,000, 7% capital investment bonds of government. It is exempted from tax. This point is exempted from tax. 40,000 Karnataka. 40,000, 10% Karnataka government bond. If you calculate 10% on this, the second point answer is 4,000. Okay, second point answer is 4,000. Then 36,000, 10% tax-free commercial security, not listed. You don't worry about this not listed or listed. This is not for your syllabus. You forget it. Okay. So 36,000 into 10%, 3,600. 36,000 into 10%, 3,600. But it is tax-free. It is tax-free. It is tax-free. Therefore, you have to gross up. 36,000 into 10 divided by 90. Its answer is 4,000. If you grossed this amount, its answer is 4,000. Third point. Then 20,000, 18% tax-free debenture. 20,000 into 18%, again it is 3,600. Again it is 3,600, but it is also tax-free. Remember this, it is also tax-free. If you gross up this, 20,000 into 18 by 90. 20,000 into 18 by 90, your answer is 4,000. This is also 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Out of 4 investments, first investment is exempted from tax. Remaining 3 total is 12,000. Okay, 12,000. You take the total of all these. Then interest on loan for purchase of security is a allowable expense under section 57. Then interest collection charges paid to bank 500 is also allowable. Then expenses incurred for purchase of lottery ticket. Remember this point very carefully. For casual incomes, none of the expenses are allowable. None of the expenses are allowable. This is very carefully remember. So 800 is not allowed. This 800 is not allowed. Then commission paid. Commission paid for purchase of security is 1,000. It is not related to interest. It is relating to purchase of security. Purchase of security. Therefore, it is not allowed. So 4,500 you deduct. 4,500 rupee you deduct. Whatever answer comes, that is your income from other source. Income from other source. First point 48,000. Second point 38,000. Third point 25,000. This is 25,000. Next 40,000 ground rent, 15,000 lottery, 12,000 director fee, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000 interest on investment. Okay. You take all these points. You take the total of all these points and write as a gross income from other source. Gross income from other source. Then out of this total, you deduct the 2 points. Less deduction under 57. First is interest on loan. Second is collection charge. 4,500. If you deduct 4,500, whatever answer comes, that is the income from other source. Up to 20th problem you solve.